Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. So what you're going to do is you're going to first of all go in your search bar and open up your settings. You'll just simply go on your search bar, you're going to open up your settings. Now once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go on your search bar and you're going to navigate to your virus and threat protection settings. So you can simply just search it up and you can write virus and threat protection. As you can see, virus and threat protection, and you're going to open this up. Now as you can see, this is your virus and threat protection settings. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go on your manage settings option. Now once you've entered manage settings, you're going to toggle two things into off. Now you're going to toggle off real-time protection. You're going to press on yes. And after that, you're going to press on cloud delivered protection. Now you can see their warnings, real-time protection is off, it leaves your device vulnerable, but you have successfully turned it off. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.